Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to be talking about how you can replicate different flowers using bone meal, or if you can at all. So normally when you want to find flowers, you have to kind of find them in the environment, break them, and pick them up off the ground. And if you can't get lucky enough to do so, you end up having to bone meal the dirt over and over again, hoping for the variety that you want. Fortunately, a lot of different flowers are really easy to replicate, especially for decorative purposes, because you can just use bone meal directly on the flower and it'll pop up some alternative replacements all around where it was growing out of the dirt, and sometimes extra bonus flowers as well. You can do that with nearly any of these flowers. We'll just go down the list to show that this works on pretty much all of them, including tulips, oxydaisies. We'll just break that. Oxydaisies, these cone flowers, lily of the valley, sunflowers, although sunflowers, because they are too tall, will just spit out a duplicate of themselves. And that's true of all these too tall flowers for the most part. If you use bone meal on them, instead of growing more of the flower, flowers will just sprout out of them that you can pick up off the ground. Although it does not work on these pitcher plants, you can use them on the fallen petals on the ground from the sakura trees, and then once you spam on the sakura tree petals, you can get more. So if you don't live next to a sakura biome, you can get that sakura biome look by manually planting these pink petals yourself. And then it doesn't work on the wither roses, nor does it work on these scorch flowers, which you will need to find individually in the environment, or get seeds from a sniffer to grow them properly. So I hope you found that helpful. That's been a look at what flowers you can replicate using bone meal inside of Minecraft. I hope you found that helpful, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.